Okay, hello. So I've got a couple really exciting announcements that I hope will make a few of you, hopefully a lot of you, really happy. I have put together a website called www.dubberdesigns.com, and on the website I'm going to start sharing patterns and plans for different gear that I've shared online, and maybe even more in the future. So where I hope it goes in the future, and the reason that I'm asking for money for some of the designs is that I hope to invest that. What I'm going to do is keep that money kind of separate and reinvest that into the project. So that's going to be invested in at least in the immediate future for the software and the website and the time that I need to put these patterns together. And I'm calling it a project now because at this point, and don't think I ever really will, I don't see it as a business venture. It's not something I'm doing to try and make money. To kick it off, I've put together a pattern for the tent that I've shared on YouTube, and it's available now for purchase and download. And what it is a zip file, and inside the zip file there is a PDF that's 35 pages long that's got everything that you need. It's got a materials list, it's got instructions on how to make the tent, it's got all the design, all the patterns, all the dimensions and whatnot for the different pieces of fabric that you have to cut out, and then obviously detailed instructions on how to put the tent together. And there's lots of diagrams and photos and all that. And I think it will be relatively easy for a novice to follow. You do need some level of understanding of how. Basically, you need to know how to sew. I do assume a certain level of like you need to know what seam allowance is and stuff like that. But other than that, I think that a relative beginner can probably make this tent. And the other thing that's included in the zip file is another folder, and in the folder is actual full-size printable patterns for every piece that you need. Now, it's not necessary to print patterns off. In fact, I would recommend against it because I think it's, again, the tent was designed as to be quite easy to make. So every piece you can quite easily plot out on a piece of fabric and with the dimensions that I give you and cut it all out. However, if you would prefer to have a piece of a paper pattern printed, that is an option. So finally, I think there's a few of you that have been waiting and have been messaging me asking when this is going to come out. So thank you for your patience. I've gotten nothing but really, really amazing comments and messages from people on YouTube and elsewhere about this kind of work. Thank you for that, and I'm really excited to see where Dubber Designs might be able to go in the future with the help of you guys. So anyways, yeah, take it easy, have a good one, and cheers.